Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download cap rate tools from Mashvisor for rental analysis. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Mashvisor, www.mashvisor.com. Once the website has loaded, locate the search bar at the top of the page. In the search bar, enter the term cap rate tools and press enter. Look for the section dedicated to rental analysis tools. Click on the link that specifically mentions cap rate tools. You will be directed to a page containing detailed information about the cap rate tools. Scroll down to find the download option for the tool. Click on the download button. If prompted, sign into your existing Mashvisor account or create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in or registration process. Once signed in, return to the cap rate tools page. Click the download button again. Choose the desired file format for your download. Save the file to your preferred location on your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your download folder. Double-click the file to open it. Now you can start using the cap rate tools for your rental analysis. Explore the features and options available within the tool to maximize your rental property evaluation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.